Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend wealth target calculation for earning $10,000 in monthly dividend income. To begin with, the purpose of this calculation is to understand how much dividend-paying investment wealth may be needed to generate $10,000 every month. This type of target can help investors plan for passive income, long-term wealth building, retirement income, or financial independence. First, we define the monthly income goal. In this example, the target is $10,000 per month. This means the investor wants to receive around $10,000 every month from dividends, without depending on selling shares from the portfolio. Next, we convert the monthly income goal into annual income. Since there are 12 months in 1 year, we multiply $10,000 by 12. As a result, the required annual dividend income becomes $120,000. This yearly figure is important because dividend yield is usually measured on an annual basis. After that, we estimate the average dividend yield. In this example, the assumed average dividend yield is 3.5%. Dividend yield shows how much income an investment may generate each year compared with the total value of the portfolio. However, actual dividend yields can change based on the selected stocks, funds, taxes, fees, and overall market conditions. Now, we calculate the required portfolio value. The formula is annual dividend income divided by dividend yield. So, $120,000 divided by 3.5% gives approximately $3,428,571. This means that, before adding a safety margin, an investor may need around $3.43 million invested at a 3.5% yield to generate $120,000 per year. Then, we add a safety margin. This is important because markets can move up and down, dividend payments may change, and real investment income may be affected by taxes, fees, or dividend cuts. In this example, we add a 10% safety margin. So, $3,428,571 multiplied by 1.10 gives approximately $3,771,429. Therefore, the final dividend wealth target is about $3,770,000. This is the approximate portfolio value needed to generate $10,000 per month in dividends, assuming a 3.5% average annual dividend yield and a 10% safety margin. In other words, if an investor builds a portfolio worth around $3,770,000 and it yields 3.5% annually, the expected dividend income would be about $131,950 per year. When divided by 12 months, that equals approximately $10,996 per month, which slightly exceeds the original monthly goal. Finally, remember the key lesson. A higher dividend yield may reduce the portfolio amount needed, while a lower dividend yield may require more capital. At the same time, reinvesting dividends and adding new money consistently can help the portfolio grow faster. It is also important to review the target regularly, because dividend rates, personal income goals, taxes, fees, and market conditions can change over time. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.